आप देख रहे हैं ना, ये है हमारा लाइफ। शो चालू होने से पहले मेकअप करके रेडी हो जाओ। पूरी जिंदगी ऐसे ही दूसरे को हंसाने के लिए निकल जाते हैं। अपना परिवार बच्चा पता नहीं वो लोग सही है ठीक है या नहीं है, ये देखता नहीं। दूसरे को खुशी में अपना खुशी ढूंढता हूँ। जिंदगी ऐसे ही है। थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा हो रहा था कोविड अपना कोरोना का, लोग पहले 2-3 साल का बाद थोड़ा अच्छा हो रहा था, फिर दोबारा कोविड आ रहा है। ऐसा लेकिन इतना तो नहीं आया। अपन सब लोग थोड़ा सावधानी बरतेगा।
After a successful show with an overwhelming response in Mumbai, Rambo Circus is back in number Bengaluru. After an interval of 20 long years to enthrall you. It will showcase the best global talent and will be held at St. John's Auditorium opposite BDA complex in Kormangla.
हेलो भाई चेक। हेलो ओके
सर, एक सर्कल जो काम करते हैं कितना कमाते हैं सर? गुजारा चलता है कैसा सर? आप
चल जाते हैं, अभी क्या करेगा, चल जाते हैं। सर्कस में काम कर, इसलिए तो सर्कस में हम लोग सब काम करते हैं। जब हमारा घर नहीं चलेगा तो हम सर्कस में क्यों काम करेगा? हमारे घर चलते हैं, हमारे बच्चे लोग एजुकेशन के लिए काम आ जाते हैं। तो सर्कस, हम आर्टिस्ट है तो इधर भी काम करेगा तो उसका पगार मिलता ही है, अच्छा पैसे मिलते हैं। ऑडियंस आएगा तो हम लोग को अपना पगार मिलेगा, अच्छा तनख्वाह मिलते हैं हम लोग।
After a long time, I was saying actually, almost 25 years I guess. So it was really nice. It's mostly like for kids actually. They can enjoy at least for 1.5 hours and all. So it's really nice.
Yeah, all the acts were so good, and they were doing very good job, and it's humorous also.
Ma'am, and apart from that, because we have seen this kind of circus when we were a child, and hardly it's coming out now. So what do you expect?
Yeah, actually, yeah, little bit disappointment because kids they always enjoy with the animals, but it's okay. Anyway, nowadays animal rights and so many things are there, so it's okay.
It was very exciting. It was very enjoyable. It was really good. I didn't expect it to be this nice. I'll tell my friends to come and see. It's really good.
Wait, how was the show? What did you like more?
I like everything.
Joseph?
It was nice.
Show was really good. The kids really enjoyed all the aerial acts. And then Falak, did you enjoy the circus?
Yes, I enjoyed too much.
They really liked the ball game, and then they liked the clown comedy show. And he is just 1.5 years old, and he enjoyed thoroughly the show. So we are very happy watching circus after a long time. And yeah, we should have these kind of shows many for the people, for the kids to get connected with others. And yeah.